Okay, ma'am. Yesterday we start the topic relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. In that, what we did for cubic linear के लिए we did for linear and for quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. For that, if alpha and beta are the zeros, कल लिखवाया था आपको, if alpha and beta are the zeros, then sum of zeros is equal to minus b over a. What is minus b over a? b is coefficient of x, negative sign as it is. b is coefficient of x and a is constant term. Sorry, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. b coefficient of x, a is coefficient of x square. Similarly, c over a. c is a constant term. Product of zeros is equal alpha into beta is equal to c over a. What is c? c is a constant term and a is coefficient of x square. Write it. Next is for cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial ax cube bx square plus cx plus d. Here sum of zeros alpha beta gamma are the zeros. ये सिर्फ सिंबल है उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, ये मत सोचना कि पता नहीं अल्फा बीटा गामा क्या है, ठीक है. These are the only symbols to represent the zeros of the polynomial. You can use any symbol. Alpha beta gamma sum of zeros is equal to again minus b over a. What is b? It is coefficient of x square, negative sign as it is, coefficient of x square, and what is a? It is coefficient of x cube. Next is taken two at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. It is c over a. What is c? c is a coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. And last is taken three at a time. Alpha into means product of zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma. It is minus d over a. Negative as it is. What is d? d is a constant term. And again, a is a coefficient of x square. अगर आपको ये साइन कैसे याद रखने हैं कि किस टाइम माइनस का साइन आना है किस टाइम नहीं आना, वो सीक्वेंस कैसे चलता है, फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव देन नेगेटिव देन पॉजिटिव देन नेगेटिव, इस तरह आपको याद रखना है, ठीक है. ए पॉजिटिव बी नेगेटिव माइनस बी सी अगेन पॉजिटिव डी अगेन नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव से स्टार्ट करके अल्टरनेट. सो नोट डाउन दिस. आई थिंक आपने क्वाड्रेटिक के लिए नोट कर लिया था, क्यूबिक के लिए भी आप नोट करोगे. Here first in this question we have to find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient and their coefficient. First we have a quadratic polynomial. We split the quadratic polynomial. Here 7x split it into 5 into 2, 5 plus 2. x common आ गया, यहाँ से 2 common आ गया. We get the factors x plus 5 and x plus 2. So the zeros of the polynomial are minus 5 and minus 2. For the relationship between the coefficient and zero, we find first sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus 5 plus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 7. This is equal to minus as it is. What is 7? 7 is the coefficient of x. We can write minus 7 over 1. What is 1? It is a coefficient of x square. नहीं भी लिखोगे, डायरेक्ट लिख दोगे coefficient of x square, वो भी सही है. So it is minus coefficient of x over coefficient of x square. Next is product of zeros. Product of zeros में दोनों zeros को multiply कर देंगे. We get 10. What is 10? 10 is a constant term over 1. What is 1? 1 is a coefficient of x square. Note down this. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Raise your hand. Question is find the zeros between the polynomial and the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. जब भी आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन है, find the zeros, सबसे पहले फैक्टर्स बनाने. क्लियर? दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. फैक्टर्स बना लिए हमने पॉलिनोमियल के. 3 को we can write √3 whole square. So x a square minus b square की आइडेंटिटी लग जाएगी, a minus b, a plus b. So zeros are √3 and minus √3. For the relationship, first we find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros under √3 plus of minus √3 we get 0. We can write 0 is 0 over 1. So which is equal to x वाली term missing है यहाँ पे. It means the coefficient of x is 0 minus coefficient of x over coefficient of x square. 1 is the coefficient of x square. X square का coefficient 1 है. Next is the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to √3 into minus √3. We get minus 3. We can write minus 3 over 1. What is minus 3? Minus 3 is the constant term and 1 is the coefficient of x square. Note down this, and if you have any doubt you can ask. I am giving you one question. You have to do that question yourself. This is the polynomial 4u square plus 8u. First we find the factors. 4u common aa jayega, u plus 2. Then the zeros are 0 and minus 2. To find the relation, first we find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros 0 plus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Minus sign as it is. We can write 2 as 8 over 4. Why we write 2 as 8 over 4? Because here the coefficient of u is 8 and coefficient of u square is 4. So we will write 2 as 8 over 4. So minus 8 is coefficient of u over coefficient of u square. Next is product of zeros. Product of zeros is 0 into minus 2, which is equal to 0. अब ये 0 है, we can write 0 over 4, 0 over 1, 0 over 2, 0 over 3, 0 over 4, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, because 0 over something ultimately वो 0 ही होगा. हमने 4 क्यों लिखा? Because हमें coefficient of x square का क्या दिया हुआ है? 4. अगर यहाँ पे 2 होता तो हम 2 लिख लेते, because ultimately result उसका 0 ही है. Now what is 0? It is a constant term. फॉर्मूले में इसको कांस्टेंट टर्म मिला हमारे पास. अब यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट टर्म मिसिंग है, इट मींस वो 0 है, तो 0 कांस्टेंट टर्म एंड 4 इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर, सॉरी u स्क्वायर. पॉलिनोमियल u में है इसका, सो u स्क्वायर. एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस क्वेश्चन? t square minus 15. So t whole square under root 15 whole square, a square minus b square की आइडेंटिटी लग जाएगी, minus 15 t plus 15. Therefore zeros are under 15.
वाओ, ये तो गोल्डन कॉइन है.
15. दिव्या म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मेरे पास भी है, मैंने तो पहनी भी हुई
आशा
है.
मैम प्लीज म्यूट दिव्या.
सिंपल सी है ना दीदी के पास तो.
Therefore sum of zeros is equal to under root 15 plus of minus under root 15, which is equal to 0. So we can write this is minus coefficient of t over coefficient of t square. वेरिएबल चेक करके लिखना कि वेरिएबल कौन सा है, ये नहीं x x लिखते जाओ. Here t term is missing, so it is the coefficient of t over coefficient of t square. Next, product of zeros. Under root 15 minus of under root 15, which is equal to minus 15. Minus 15 is the constant term over, you can write 15 over 1 minus 15 over 1 over coefficient of t square. statement is 3x square minus x minus 4. First we make the factors, then find the zeros. So 3x square minus x minus 4 is 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Here we get x, 3x minus 4 plus 1, 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 कॉमन आ जाएगा, x plus 1. Therefore zeros are 4 by 3 and minus 1. These are the zeros. Then sum of zeros, 4 by 3 plus of minus 1, 4 by 3 minus 1, what we get, 4 minus 3, it is 1 over 3. But here the coefficient of, now listen, look at the board, here the coefficient of x is minus, but हमारे पास जो वैल्यू आई है वो पॉजिटिव है, we can write minus as minus of minus 1 over 3, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. तो इसको रीराइट कैसे करना है, माइनस ऑफ माइनस ओवर 3. Now this negative sign as it is, what is minus 1? Minus 1 is the coefficient of x over 3. 3 is coefficient of x here. Clear? Next is product of zeros. Product of zeros is 4 over 3 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 over 3. What is minus 4? Minus 4 is a constant term and 3 is coefficient of x square. Note down the question and if you have any doubt you can ask. इसमें सिर्फ मेन आपको क्या देखना है, इसमें ये न्यू पॉइंट है that is 1 over 3, लेकिन x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है, माइनस. So we rewrite 1 as minus of minus 1. माइनस माइनस प्लस होकर अल्टीमेटली वो 1 नहीं बनेगा. This negative sign as it is, this minus 1 is the coefficient of x, 3 is the coefficient of x square. Product of zeros minus 4 over 3, minus 4 is the constant term and 3 is the coefficient of x square.
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
Yes, Preet.
मैम वहाँ पर जो जीरोस है 4 over 3 एंड माइनस 1, मैम 4 over 3 कैसे जीरो है?
अगर आपको नहीं इसका नाम डायरेक्ट पता चलता तो इसको देखो, हम जीरोस कैसे फाइंड आउट करते थे, इक्वल टू 0 पुट करके, ताकि पॉलिनोमियल 0 बन जाए. 3x minus 4 equals to 0. यहाँ से x की वैल्यू